Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 BMW K1600GT. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 BMW K1600GT, with 58,995 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, and electronic suspension, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, an electronic windshield, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with Denali LED driving lights. Powered by a 1649cc transverse 6-cylinder engine, the K1600 puts 160 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel capacity, the K1600 has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 31.9-inch seat height and a 703-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the bar end, a scrape on the highway lights, scrapes on the saddlebags, and a blemish on the top case. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 1 key, and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a powertrain 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.